Thank you for watching our video. If you're interested in customized precision metal molds and non-standard spare parts, please click to follow us. We are Kismake Precision Manufacturing Factory based in China, boasting over 20 years of experience in precision metal fabrication. We focus on customized mold development, sheet metal stamping, and custom non-standard hardware parts manufactured in accordance with customers' drawings. We have an in-house dedicated mold R&D and design team together with self-developed full-set production equipment, supported by sufficient production capacity. We deliver full one-stop supporting services ranging from project scheme confirmation through to finished product delivery. For mold manufacturing, we provide 3 tiers of solutions tailored to clients' needs: economical specifications, mid-range mass production specifications, and high-precision specifications, customized to match customers' budgets and practical application requirements. Our full mold product line covers single-strike dies, progressive dies, forming dies, sheet metal bending dies, deep drawing dies, and metal die casting molds. The entire workflow, including preliminary molding, structural design, raw material selection, machining, heat treatment, mold trial adjustment, and sample verification, is fully controlled in-house. Products will only be packed and delivered after passing full dimensional inspection. Meanwhile, we undertake outsourced mass stamping production for workpieces made of iron, copper, aluminum, and stainless steel, supporting both small batch trial production and large volume mass production. For the machining of non-standard precision components, our workshop is equipped with 3-axis CNC machining centers, wire cut end machines, precision lathes, milling machines, and grinding machines. We process 45 steel, alloy molding steel, aluminum alloy, stainless steel, copper, and other commonly used metallic raw materials. We offer prototype sampling, small batch trial machining, and large batch OEM production to satisfy component processing demands from furniture, automotive, electronics, and mechanical equipment sectors, alongside complete surface treatment processes including anodizing, electroplating, and black oxide finishing. Our full process one-stop service helps clients cut extra costs incurred from coordinating multiple different manufacturers. And all finished products undergo pre-shipment full inspection to secure dimensional accuracy. Whether you are overseas purchasing merchants or domestic processing factories, feel free to send us messages at any time to obtain free technical consultations and formal quotations for mold fabrication, sheet metal stamping, and non-standard parts OEM orders. Follow Kismake to browse more processing cases. We are always ready for business negotiation and cooperation. https://kismake.com